2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, bucket seats, MP3 player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.